In this video, we will be assembling a CSE 3/4 pneumatically actuated diaphragm valve. We've got placing O-ring in the inside of the upper body housing, as well as O-ring inside of the flange plate and outside of flange plate. Locate your stem, place an O-ring around that. At this point, we're going to want to lubricate the inside of the housing with food grade lubricant, as well as all of our O-rings. Place the plunger down securely. Spring over the top of the plunger. Place your tooling on. Once your top flange plate's been lubricated, you're ready to press that down. Now at this point, we're going to need to press. Use the press to lower the top plate securely. Once the inside ring is exposed, find your retention clip. Place retention clip securely inside of the groove. Make sure to secure before releasing the press and release the press. Remove your tooling from the body. Begin by locating air supply threaded with PTFE tape and screw that into the actuator housing. Make sure it's tight. Locate the stem, apply Loctite, and thread until tight. Once that's complete, you're going to want to grab a pair of pliers in order to fully lock it closed. At this point, you're ready to locate your gasket. Cover the screw in food grade lubricant, lower body of the gasket, and diaphragm valve disc. Screw the diaphragm valve disc on tight. Be careful not to over tighten, and make sure that the tabs on the disc are parallel with the tab on the gasket. Insert the gasket into the top of the assembly. Also place air supply in. At this point, you're going to want to actuate it in order to lower the disc just enough to make it catch, making sure that you're not applying too much air. At this point, grab a screwdriver, work the gasket into the body assembly. Now that the gasket's worked into the bottom of the assembly, locate the lower assembly, coat the bolts in food grade lubricant, and place through. At this point, we're going to be careful to tighten these in a star pattern. Tighten until secure. Don't tighten all the way just yet. Continue applying the star pattern. Place lock washer and nut over bolt. And again, tighten until snug. Actuate the valve. At this point, we're ready to fully tighten it down. Continuing on a star pattern. And that is how you assemble a CSE 1.5 3/4 lower body assembly.